We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive overview of the funny warning metal aluminum sign by Nsjsima. This product is a 12 by 8 inch aluminum sign designed to add humor and personality to your garage, man cave, or any indoor or outdoor space. The sign features a humorous slogan that reads, "My sense of humor might hurt your feelings," making it an eye-catching and entertaining piece of wall decor. Users appreciate the sign's size, which is compact enough to fit in various spaces without overwhelming the wall, yet large enough to be noticed and make a statement. The dimensions of 12 inches in length and 8 inches in width make it versatile for placement on walls, fences, or garden gates. One of the standout features of this sign is its construction. Made from premium aluminum metal, it is sturdy and weatherproof. This means it can withstand outdoor conditions such as rain, sun exposure, and wind without fading or deteriorating. Customers have noted that the sign maintains its vibrant colors and sharp text even after prolonged outdoor use, which speaks to the quality of the materials and printing process. The aluminum base also ensures the sign is lightweight yet durable, making it easy to handle and install. Installation is straightforward thanks to the pre-drilled holes on the sign. These holes allow for easy mounting using screws or nails on a variety of surfaces. Many users have found this feature convenient as it saves time and effort during setup. Whether you want to hang it on a garage wall, a wooden fence, or inside a man cave, the sign can be securely attached without additional tools or modifications. The design of the sign is casual and retro, which blends well with different decor styles. Its multifunctional appeal means it is suitable not only for outdoor spaces, but also for indoor rooms such as home offices, game rooms, or even kitchens. The humorous slogan adds a lighthearted touch that can serve as a conversation starter or a way to express personality. Some users have mentioned that the sign brings a sense of security or motivation, as the witty warning can deter unwanted visitors or lighten the mood. From a usability perspective, the sign is low maintenance. It does not require special cleaning. A simple wipe with a dry cloth is enough to keep it looking fresh. The aluminum surface is resistant to rust and corrosion, so it remains attractive over time without the need for protective coatings or treatments. This makes it a practical choice for those who want durable decor without ongoing upkeep. While the sign has many positive aspects, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. Some users have pointed out that the humor in the slogan might not suit every environment or audience, so it is best placed where it will be appreciated and understood. Additionally, since the sign is made of metal, it can be prone to dents or scratches if handled roughly or bumped into hard surfaces. Careful installation and placement can minimize this risk. Overall, the funny warning metal aluminum sign by Nsjsima is a well-crafted, durable, and amusing piece of decor that suits a variety of settings. It offers excellent value for its price, combining quality materials with a fun design that stands out. The ease of installation, weather resistance, and versatility make it a popular choice for anyone looking to add character to their garage, man cave, or outdoor area. If you own this sign or have experience with it, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your feedback is valuable and supports the community in finding quality products. Remember, the link to this product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. Thank you for watching and contributing to our shared knowledge.